No one wants to live with it that gives them dry skin. Choosing the right type of moisturizer can make your job easier for your clear skin disease. But before you do, many home remedies have worked for others. Be sure to try them out. One of the most important and simple tips is to use a moisturizer on the affected area. Apply mild soap to the affected area and then generously apply a fragrance-free moisturizer so that moisture gets trapped between your skin cells. When a moisturizer is used in this way, the properties of your lotion or moisturizer become much more effective. To get rid of excessively dry skin, you need to apply the moisturizer that your dermatologist chooses. If your skin is very dry, dermatologists recommend treatment. Without treatment, you have a higher risk of developing a skin condition, such as a skin infection. Prolonged itching can lead to permanent itching of the skin. You may be at risk for food allergies or skin allergic reactions. Although allergies or skin reactions can be treated, they cannot be cured. How do dermatologists diagnose excessively dry skin? Your dermatologist can often diagnose you by looking at your skin. Your dermatologist will also ask questions to create a treatment plan that meets your needs. The doctor wants some answers from you about your skin problems. 1. Do you, or any close blood relatives, have atopic dermatitis, asthma, hay fever, or food allergies? 2. How long is your skin excessively dry? 3. What treatments have you tried? This will help your dermatologist find out the cause of your excessively dry skin. It is the responsibility of a good dermatologist to teach you how to prevent dry skin from returning. For more details, click patients.com. Stay with us for the more informative video.